Hey, sexy people, Taylor Sparks here, Mariposa aquí. Happy Wet Me Thursday. Have you seen the new Bijoux Horoscope collection for the ladies? Well, this is your 60 Seconds of Sparks. This amazing collection comes with 3 pieces, a semi-precious crystal gem, and a necklace, and it's based on your horoscope sign. This one is Aries, it's red jasper. It also comes with a clitoral stimulating balm, all natural, of course, based on your element, so whether you're air, fire, earth, or water. And then this really nice finger vibrator, which you can use in all kinds of wonderful places. The purpose of this collection is to connect you with your feminine energy, be it mind, heart, and we all know where the spirit lies. Log on to organicloving.com. Get something for yourself, get something for the women in your life, and watch her feminine energy come alive. Bye-bye.